What's up guys, Airsoft Nation here, and today we're just going to be doing a bit of a better video. So this one's got a voiceover and hit markers and just what you guys have been recommending. So if you've got any other recommendations, just tell me and I will try my best to work on it. So enjoy the video.
Hi.
They haven't even come through yet.
Could it be Filato? Oh, crap. Don't be alarmed, I'm just...
Who's getting
I've done no.
This guy, KSG in the corner.
They're coming in, they're pushing in.
Your head's popping out. Put it in middle, man. That was a good job on that.
Hit. We'll both take that.
Jesus Christ, that's loud.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Push. Hit.
More of it.
Excuse me, guys. Guys, get in! Oh, hello. Grab that.
So this game mode is capture the flag, and as you can see in the next bit of footage, it's over very quickly.
Nice.
In the bunker. In the bunker.
So that was my edited video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you want to see more, leave a like, subscribe, and tell me what you think in the comments. So I'll see you later.